Here we go for 24 hours in the countryside of Eritrea. We'll spend the day with my cousins discovering two villages, Haddihannes and Shima, and we'll see how life is completely different over here. So we hit the road very early to get there before breakfast, and to be honest, the roads were in good shape, but since we were in the Eritrean highlands, there were a lot of sharp turns. We arrived at our first village, Shima, and it was so beautiful to arrive early in the morning and see the whole village slowly wake up. Everything was calm and beautiful. When you visit the countryside, you cannot come empty-handed. So we brought some sugar, coffee, and tea with us. Most of the people living here are farmers, so it's totally normal to see a lot of farmlands around the village. And of course, as you can see, we started the day with tea and a coffee ceremony. That's how we welcome guests in Eritrea. Coffee ceremonies are meant to be long and slow. It's supposed to be a moment to relax and slow down and reconnect with other family members or community members. After the coffee, we went on to discover the village and our old family hut, or hudmo, the traditional Eritrean house.
معلفني تبع
معرفني
يعني عباي مركزين لا حسب برامج كده
هيك اوه كنت علمها كنت علمها ثلاثة ولا أربعة القسم تارنشي أرنشي القسم صبغ يرجع لهم كنت علمها كنت علمها
نسيعين
نسيعين؟
أوه
أربعة مش ده كاميرا؟
ها؟
أربعة خمسة هذا كليبته ثلاثة أربعة ده علمها؟
أو لا
أنا بس إذا عدى
شو نقص تحتي
شما نقص
تحتي
تحتاي شما نقص تحتاي أبي عدها؟
إيه
أبي عدها؟
شو نقص لعلي
لعلي ويس تحتاي حنتي مرت
شو نقص تحتي
شو نقص تحتاي برافو سندخلة سندخلة. The kids took me on a private tour and I had to reward them with a visit to the corner shop. مش دخوني بيت كريستيان دا قدس جبريل دا قدس ميكائيل قالت ابن جزا بيت كريستيان دامنا
ما يسبب
هاتين دين
أنا كايت يا ودمنا
ودي سلامون بحر
سلام بعد
سلام من
ودوا
مريقكم يا هيك مريقكم كيلو هيك عشان
هرش اوكي انت بغيت الدكان هذا كم دخل يدخل هذا ماما هذا ماما عالتي تشاو هذا تشاو زحوة On our way back, it suddenly started raining heavily, and this is very common in Eritrea.
أنا تقلع
While child labor is illegal over here, many kids work to help their parents during the summer break, and we just wanted to stop and support them.
عم شادي شادي إذا قال
ciao يلا ود
And now we're heading to our next village, Addihannes. Both of these villages are just 30 to 40 minutes away from Asmara, the capital city. While going there, we came upon this beautiful scene of people leaving church, and everyone was wearing traditional Eritrean attire. So it was very beautiful to witness. The closer we got to the village, the more shepherds we met. It was a bit tricky to not hit any animal and to just keep on going. We were welcomed with Eritrean coffee as usual, but I didn't want to waste any time, and we just went out to explore the village. We spent the day with my cousins and friends. talking about how different our worlds are, and I ended up giving them a crash course on drones and cameras.
لا تقبل
تاريخي
وي فوز الغا
Here are some of the shots we took.
تعوي أمي تعوي أباي أباي أمي تعوي سريع
هيك الريمو
يومك سلام اليوم سلام عليكم إذا هم اللي إذا هم تيم سلام سلام وعيد حديو إذا هم
We ended up the day by taking this big gift back to the city.
نقرا نبي تخيل